I'll be educating you on the areas through which knowledge is acquired. There are three basic angles by which knowledge are acquired. The first is the infinite knowledge. The infinite knowledge is being generated naturally by creative imagination. Have you ever been close to a man who is filled with lots of ideas but have not passed through any four corners of a classroom? I remember back then when I was living in a building, the chairman of that building, I so much appreciate that man. This man is full of ideas. There is no problem you come with, this man will not provide a solution for you. These are people that we are filled with creative knowledge. I value that man so much, Mr. Ikechukwu. Anywhere you are, I so much appreciate you because you inculcate so many ideas to me. You see, you must understand this stage of knowledge. You don't need any practical or physical examination to understand this. It comes naturally to you. Infinite knowledge. The second knowledge is the accumulated experience. This is the kind of knowledge we derive from reading, going to schools. These are accumulated experience that is already in notes, that have already been documented, by which you must exploit those books before you can be able to discover them. That is why you find out that the more you read, the more you discover your ignorance. Exposure to books and to a new environment makes you to be filled with lots of ideas. And the third is the experiment or research. This is the knowledge you acquire by growing old. If you are not becoming mature, there is no way you can learn some certain things. You learn from your new environment, you learn from observations, you learn from understanding, you learn from what people do and repeat. Because each and every one of us, we are born tabula rasa. No one was born with the knowledge of he or she has now. Each and every one of us, we are empty. So the older you are getting, there are some incidents that happen, and there is a pattern you used in solving that particular problem, and it gave you what you want. The moment that pattern repeats itself, you use the same strategy on it. That is where the knowledge of experiment and research comes in. These are the three basic ways knowledge are being acquired. If you can pay attention to each of them, I bet you will be getting a lot of changes in your life. Don't forget to keep following for more. I remain your unstoppable emperor. See you at the next video.